What's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have a Ford Mustang, and today I show you B1404. You can see here B1404 driver side airbag deployment control. B1404, I will show you location, driver side airbag deployment control. Okay, this is the car. You can see driver's seat. Okay, under the driver's seat, inside here, can you see one wire? This wire, remove this wire. Okay, this is for a driver's side airbag, and which is color code is this one, but I already checked this one, yellow and brinjal. These two color for driver's side airbag, for this driver's side airbag. Okay, if you replace driver's side airbag then it's okay, or not replace, put 1.8 resistance